Good morning students. Welcome back to Unit 5th Electronic Payment System. Today we are discussing debit card. Last class we discussed in an electronic payment system payment cards, in that credit card. Today we are discussing debit card. Okay, everyone is using debit card nowadays because everything will be online payment now. If you are doing online business, sitting from home only, you are doing online businesses and all, and you are purchasing goods from different companies, at that time you will pay the money through the debit card. Okay, everyone is using debit card. Then what is debit card? In exam also they will ask for 5 marks question. Write about debit card. In a short question they will ask this question. Debit card is a alternative methods for cash when making payments for the goods bought or services being rendered. Here debit card is a multi-purpose card that may be used for making purchase at shops, automated teller machines. You can withdraw the money from the debit card. Here the working of debit card is different to that of a credit card. Debit card allows transactions only when positive balance exists in customer's account. Okay, whenever the customer is having money in his account, only that time the debit card works. Otherwise, it's not possible to work with the debit card. It will show the zero balance or less balance like that. Okay. And a debit card, it is also known as a bank card or a check card. It is here plastic payment card that provides the card holder electronic access to his or her bank accounts at a financial institution. And whenever purchase occurs through a debit card, the amount equivalent to the purchase is immediately deducted from the balance of a checking or savings account of the consumer. But whereas the credit card allows the consumer to spend money even though he or she might not actually have balance. If they don't have balance also, you can pay through the credit card. But in a debit card, you must have the balance, and whenever you pay the money, automatically you will get a message like in your balance, like it is reduced. The money will be reduced in your bank account's balance. And in a credit card, it won't show that thing, but consumer promises to pay later to card issuing bank. He has to pay the money to the card issuing bank. And examples of debit cards are Visa, MasterCard, Mastro in India, plus Mastro and Solo in United Kingdom. And EFT point of sale in Australia and New Zealand. Different cards they are using. And India RuPay card is there nowadays. It is introduced RuPay card. Sorry, I didn't mention here. You write RuPay card also. Okay, that is also a debit card. Kinds of debit cards are, there are two types of debit cards. There is online debit card. Here customer swipes the card in card reader machine and enters secured personal identification number, that is PIN, personal identification number, authentication system in the machine. Online card requires electronic authorization of every transaction and the debits are reflected in the user's account immediately. Here online debit card requires electronic authorization. Okay, for every transaction you need that. And the debit card reflected in user accounts immediately. The transaction may be additionally secured with a personal identification number, that is authentication system. Here some online cards need such authentication for every transaction. For ATM cards, for withdrawing the money from ATM and all, you require that the PIN is required. The online debit cards are becoming common for all card transactions in many countries. Here also it is common now. Everyone is using RuPay card, Visa card, Mastro card, everything. Okay. and it is more authentication system and lives live status. Here using PIN you are required user signatures only, and these cards have the logos of major credit cards or major debit cards and are used at point of sale like a credit card. Transaction taken offline debit cards normally need 2 to 3 days to credit card holders account balances after purchase. Here in an offline debit card, here this type of debit card may be restricted to a daily limit as well as a maximum limit equal to the amount currently deposited in the current account from which the card draws funds. Offline debit card in some countries are not as compatible to the PIN system and hence they are susceptible for signature forgery. Sometime it may happen, but transactions conducted with offline debit cards normally need 2 to 3 days to credit card holders account balances after the purchase. Here card holder gives his or her debit card to shop owner. Card is swiped through this card reader machines. Transaction is almost done, but after this the customer has to sign the sales draft in an offline debit card. In an offline debit card, the owner will take that offline debit card and he'll swipe that card to his card reader machine, and the customer has to sign on the sales draft. Okay, this is your card reader machine where you will swipe the debit card while paying. Here examples already I told. Examples are the Visa, MasterCard, MaestroCard, RuPay card in India. Then advantages of debit card. What are the advantages? That is, one is prepaid card. It is debit card act as type of prepaid card. It already has sufficient amount of cash balance in its holder's bank account. Like you should have more money in a debit card, and within that money you can purchase the products. It permits to carry on the value of the transaction to the extent of available balance in its holder's bank account. Okay, it acts as a prepaid card. The nominal fee here. Nominal fee, sorry, it is mistaken here. Nominal use I have written. This nominal fee, it should be nominal fee. Bank issuing a debit card charges an annual fee for the issuance of maintenance of card. Okay, the fees is very nominal in nature. This fee charged is very nominal in nature. Generally, the bank charges the fee on a per annum or yearly basis. Such a fee gets automatically debited or deducted from the debit card holder's bank account. Okay, they will charge some nominal fees and that will be deducted yearly once. Okay, that is very less. Then alternative to cash, it is alternative to cash debit card. It acts as an alternative mode of payment for executing various cash related financial transactions. No need to carry a large amount of cash. Thus, it helps to avoid carrying huge amount of cash while traveling and minimize risk of loss due to theft, damage, etc. Okay, it is alternative to cash only. Okay, no need to carry a huge amount with you. You can use debit card for paying the money. Okay, it will be safer side. Then immediate transfer of funds. Debit card ensures immediate transfer of funds in the merchant's or dealer's bank account. Such a transfer of funds takes place almost instantly at the moment of purchases of goods and receipts of services. With its use, there is no need to visit banks, office premise and do a manual transfer of cash in the merchant's or dealer's bank account. No need of going there. Thus, it saves precious time and gives easy safety and comfort to its holder in his or her finance related activities. Okay, it will be easy for the customer. No need to go there to dealer's place or merchant place for paying the money. Okay, all payments you can do with the debit card only. Okay, that is there. And so many payments we are doing through the debit card, like you are paying the money through internet banking, also will do through Google Pay. Everything we are doing with the payment online only. Here no need of waiting for queue. Instant withdrawal of cash. The debit card facilitates instant withdrawal of cash from any nearest ATM, automatic teller machines. This helps its holder to avoid a personal visit to bank's office premise and wait in a long time consuming queue. Okay, you can avoid that. In short, it also acts as an ATM card to meet its holders' cash related needs anytime and anywhere. And easy to manage. Debit card is very easy to carry, handle and manage while traveling to outstations or overseas. Being small, thin, flat and having a negligible weight, it easily fits in any pocket. Okay, it's very easy to manage here. The debit card. These are the debit cards. Okay, you can see a Canara Bank's debit card, SBI RuPay card and Visa, that is debit card. Here also embossing numbers are there. You will be having symbol there. Okay, company symbol is there, numbers are there and manufacture, this expiry date is there. Okay, everything is mentioned here. Already people are having debit card. Okay, just go through that debit card and generally you can write all the notes in your notebook. Okay, next class we are discussing with the different cards. And final exam for 5 marks they'll ask write about debit card. Okay, have a good day and thank you.